Setting clear goals. Today, we're delving into 10 critical strategies for personal development triumph. Whether you're pursuing professional progress, heightened joy, or merely looking to intensify the quality of your life, these strategies will act as a compass on your voyage to personal accomplishment. Dive into the first strategy: establish explicit objectives. Without a clear endpoint, it's effortless to veer off course. Time to clarify what accomplishment signifies to you and create distinct, quantifiable objectives to strive for. Tip number 2, prioritize self-care. Prioritizing self-care. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Make time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, whether it's exercise, meditation, or simply spending time with loved ones. Tip number 3, cultivate a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and see failures as valuable learning experiences. With a positive outlook and a willingness to learn, you'll be unstoppable. Tip number 4, develop effective communication skills. Communication is key to building strong relationships and advancing in your career. Developing effective communication skills. Practice active listening, express yourself clearly, and strive to understand others' perspectives. Tip number 5, manage your time wisely. Managing time wisely. Time is your most precious resource, so use it wisely. Prioritize your tasks, set boundaries, and avoid procrastination to maximize your productivity and achieve your goals. Tip number 6, seek feedback and learn from it. Constructive feedback is invaluable for personal growth. Seeking feedback and learning from it. Be open to receiving feedback from others, reflect on it thoughtfully, and use it as a springboard for improvement. Tip number 7, step out of your comfort zone. Growth occurs outside of your comfort zone, so don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. Stepping out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to explore unfamiliar territory and watch your confidence soar. Tip number 8, practice gratitude daily. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude can transform your outlook on life. Practicing gratitude daily. Take a moment each day to appreciate the blessings in your life and watch how it shifts your perspective. Tip number 9, build a supportive network. Building a supportive network. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you. Your support network can provide encouragement, advice, and accountability on your journey to success. And finally, tip number 10, never stop learning. The pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey. Stay curious, out new experiences, and commit to continuous growth and self-improvement. Never stop learning. Indeed, one of the most essential tips for personal development success. Remember, success is not but a journey, and with dedication, perseverance, and this particular tip in mind, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Well, there you have it, 10 essential tips for personal success. Thanks for joining today. Until next time, keep striving for greatness. Empower Up with D.